Okay, let's unpack this. We're doing a deep dive today into something loads of people see advertised. Mobile apps that promise real cash just for playing.
Right.
Specifically, we're looking at the Spin Master app. It claims you earn money spinning slots, collecting coins.
Hmm.
Our mission really is to see what's actually going on. We're using a recent X-Guide review to sort of cut through the hype.
Yeah, it's a big area. These apps get huge downloads fast. And the core question for you listening isn't just if it pays. It's more like, how does it keep people hooked for so long before, well, the penny drops?
Okay.
The source we looked at is pretty clear on the model they use.
So that initial hook,
Yeah,
the review mentions it looks fun and simple.
deceptively so.
And right away, you see these fake balances shooting up. That must be powerful.
Oh, absolutely. It's immediate gratification. Seeing numbers climb, even virtual ones, it triggers something. It feels like winning, like you're making real progress. That's the buy-in.
But that feeling doesn't last.
Right.
The review points to the withdrawal process.
Exactly. That's the wall. You play, you rack up this impressive-looking balance, you think, great, time to cash out.
Yeah.
And that's precisely where the system seems designed to falter.
Right. The review details this. Users report that suddenly rewards get locked.
Yep.
And then you're just bombarded with ads.
Yeah.
Constantly. Like you have to watch ad after ad.
That's the pattern. The source says the app makes you complete endless tasks just to try and unlock the cash out.
Endless tasks meaning more ads.
Mostly watching ads, yeah. Or maybe playing other little games within the app that also show ads. And the review is blunt. It says this cash out reportedly never really happens for most.
Wow. So people are spending days on this.
Days, even weeks, according to some reports cited. And the finding was stark. Many users report zero real payments. Zero.
Okay, so the review asks the big question then. Spin Master, real or fake?
And the answer it gives is pretty direct. It calls it a fake money app.
Fake money app.
Its main purpose. Mostly to generate ad revenue. You're playing, you're tapping, completing those tasks. That's you watching ads. That's the product.
Yeah. So the app makes money from your attention, basically, not from giving you money.
Precisely. Your activity trying to reach that impossible cash out goal, that's what fuels their income stream, not yours.
So the takeaway here, the source suggests, okay, maybe play it for a bit of mindless fun if you enjoy that kind of thing.
Sure, if you treat it purely as entertainment, like digital monopoly money.
But if you're actually looking for ways to earn real money online,
Then the advice is clear. Don't expect any real payouts from this kind of setup. Look elsewhere.
got it. Treat those flashing coins as just part of the game, not actual currency.
Yeah. And maybe stepping back, there's a bigger thought here for you listening. When you see free entertainment like this, what's the real cost? If an app makes its money by essentially getting you to perform labor-watching ads, clicking things under the guise of potential earnings that never materialize, it makes you think, doesn't it? About how your attention itself is being monetized. Always be critical, especially when those goalposts move the second you try to claim your prize. That's often the telltale sign.
A really important point, something to definitely keep in mind next time one of those easy cash app ads pops up.